How to fix Telegram only sending messages to mutual contact issue. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, How to Geek. In this video, I'll show you how you can fix Telegram's issue that says only send messages to mutual contacts. Or in other words, it simply says that you cannot send to non-mutual contacts. So you simply want to make sure to watch this video till the end. Now, in order to fix this, there are a couple of things that you can do. All you have to do is, first of all, open the Telegram app and then tap on the search icon from the top right-hand side. Here, you simply want to search for a bot that says Spam Info Bot. As you can see over here, that has a verification checkmark, which is an official bot. Just make sure to tap on it. Now, over here, you just need to tap on the Start button from the bottom. Once it happens, it says no limits are currently applied to your account. You're free as a bird. So here at the bottom, you'll find the option that says I can't message non-contacts. So you just want to tap on that option. It says, have your account been limited recently? You want to just tap on the No button over here. And here it says, it is possible that you did too many similar actions at once. Such limits are temporary and will soon be removed automatically. Please try later or subscribe to Telegram Premium to get less restricted limits. So one thing you can do is you can actually wait up to a couple of hours in order to fix this. The other thing you have to do is simply upgrade to Telegram Premium, but obviously, that is not what we want to do. But in most cases, this bot is going to fix our issue. But if it doesn't, then I can also offer you an alternative solution. That is to open up your Play Store and instantly download the version called Telegram X. So over here, you'll find another application called Telegram X, which is also the official Telegram app itself. So you want to make sure to simply install this application, log into your same Telegram account, and you'll have as many features as a normal Telegram app did. Hope this video helped you. If it did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon in our next video.